Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the fuel door hinge on this 2002 Volvo V70. It's the same process for the V70s from 2001 to 2007. And it's the same process on the XC70, XC90, and the S60. And the only tools you'll need are a punch tool, a hammer, and a pair of pliers. Okay, you can start off by just removing that wire on the fuel door. And he's pointing out there's 4 plastic rivets, just little divots in this plastic. And you want to line up the punch tool and just hammer out each of those little rivets. Once all 4 of those has been hammered out, it just comes right off and you can remove those rubber washers. Now typically one of the clips that holds this this metal part of the hinge in is usually broken, so you usually don't have to even pry it out of these, but if you do have one, all you do is pry it right out and then you just lift one end and slide it out the other. Now to remove the hinge from the fuel door, you just want to pry at this plastic with a flat blade screwdriver, and that'll kind of break it up a little bit and you can just push it out. It can take a second, but just keep warping it and it will eventually come off. You just don't want to damage the metal rail right there that it's clipped to, so just be careful about that and just make sure you're only warping the plastic. And we'll fast forward as he gets the other half off. On the left is the old hinge and on the right is the new hinge from 1A Auto. They're completely identical. Line up the hinge and then take a hammer and you want to just hit the peg directly, and that'll act as a rivet. That plastic will go right into the hole and hold the hinge into place. Now on the second one, when he's hammering it, you can see it bends there. He hits it again and it ends up breaking off. That's actually very common. If this happens, all you do is you take your punch tool and you just widen the hole a little bit, push the peg into place, and then you can just hammer it in the rest of the way and it works just as well. And for these ones, since they're a lot harder to hammer in directly because of the plastic on either side of it, it's easier. He just breaks it off, then using pliers pushes it in, and then using a larger punch tool hits it the rest of the way in, and does the same with the top one. Now what you want to do is line up that clip, push in one end, pull it, and then push the other end in. And then you want to line it up with the back of the hinge. You can see here, you just push it in, pull towards you to snap it in, and then push the other side of the clip down in, reconnect that wire, and it's all set.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.